Right, I'm not going to put any oil in it just yet. What I am going to do is adjust the clutch. So the adjuster. Okay. Got to loosen that off. And hold the adjuster off. Right, yeah, that really sound like my. But get this cover. What happens is this cover creates part of the holding part for this adjuster slash grommet. That's it. Right. Put that back in. And then I'll put the oil back in it. I saved the old oil, so I'm going to reuse it. Because although it was old oil, it was new oil I put in there. So I'm not going to waste it. Just strain it. Not that it looks like there's any crap in it. Just strain it and put it back in. So I'm waiting for that to do its bits and pieces. Put the linkage back on. Like I said, I've got the mark there that I put on the shaft, so I can lift it up. That's easy as that. Put that up. leave that on there for now, because I want to put the oil back in. Don't want it to drip on the exhaust. Yeah. It's ready to take its oil, so when I get around to that, the next hour or so, I'll record it.